The Caroma 819W electric scooter stands out with its robust 20-inch off-road tires that enhance grip and stability, making it ideal for various challenging terrains. Riders benefit from a smart LCD display that provides real-time data on speed, battery life, and mileage, with the flexibility to choose between 3 speed modes. Equipped with a powerful motor and a large battery, this scooter can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and offers an impressive range of 30 miles per charge. For added convenience, the scooter features a foldable design and a removable front basket, complemented by suspension and a padded seat for a comfortable ride. Safety is prioritized with its dual braking system, combining disc brakes and an EABS system to ensure efficient and stable braking performance under various conditions. The scooter is mostly pre-assembled and comes with a 1-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind and reliable customer support for any issues.